Good morning, Year 7. I'm hoping you've all had a great weekend and looking forward to another maths lesson. So today we're going to be looking at collecting like terms. Sometimes an expression looks a little bit complicated, but we can simplify them by collecting the terms together that are the same. We call this collecting like terms. So in this example, we have 3a, which is 3 lots of a, plus 2a, or 2 lots of a. So the only variable that we have in this expression is a. So if we look at it as coloured dots, we've got 3 lots of a, plus 1 lot of a, plus 2a, which gives us in total 6 lots of a, or 6a as we write it. Let's have a look at another one. Now this example has two different variables. We've got n and p. So if we use our coloured dots again, with different colours to represent the n and the p, we can see that we've got 2 lots of n, 3 lots of p, plus 1 lot of n, plus 2 lots of p. And we can now collect these together, which will give us 3 lots of n and 5 green dots, which are the p. Let's look at another example. Here I'm going to circle the terms that are the same using different colours, and I'm going to make sure that I circle the positive or the negative symbol that goes with that term. So here we have 2y, and we have another y term here, and so I'm circling it including that positive symbol here. So altogether you can see that we've got 2y plus y, which makes 3 lots of y. Now I'm going to change colour here, and I'm going to circle the z terms, again making sure that I'm including the positive or negative symbol that goes with it. So we have minus 3z and positive 2z. So we've got a negative 3z plus 2z, which gives us negative 1z or z. We don't need to put that 1 in front of the z. So another example. Here I'm going to circle the b variables with red. So I have 2b. Now remember, if there is nothing in front of that 2, that means it's positive. So 2b, and then I have plus b over here. So altogether I've got 2b plus b, which is 3 lots of b, or 3b. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go for the a's. Let's use a green here. So I've got negative 3a minus a here. So negative 3a minus a is going to be negative 4a. And then I've got another one. Now these numbers on their own are constants. So we treat them as their own values. So we're going to put them together. We've got positive 3 and negative 1. So we've got 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we can say plus 2. And that is our simplified expression. Okay? Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Now I'd like you to collect the like terms and therefore simplify the expressions in all of these questions. I would like you to show in your books doing it exactly the same way that I just have, by circling using different colours the like terms. So pause the video, and when you've completed your questions, then you can move on. And here are your answers. Check your work and self-mark using red pen if possible. Then you can move on to the next slide. Okay, have a go at some of these questions too. Remember that perimeter is the sum of all the side lengths together. Perhaps write the whole lot out and then use the methods that you've just practiced to simplify your answer. Pause the video for a moment while you complete these questions, and when you've finished, then you can move on for the answers. And here are your answers. Remember, if you've had any problems at all, then do let me know. Have a great day, and we'll see you next lesson.